Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this tutorial you are going to learn how to merge columns in Excel. For example, you want to merge first name and last name as full name. So click here where you want to merge both of them and then write formula equal CONCA. Here you can see concatenate. Click on this and then select first name, comma, and then inverted commas, and then give space, and again give inverted commas, and then give comma, and again select last name and close the parenthesis and enter. Here you can see the both names are combined and there is also space between first name and last name. You have seen in formula that we give space after inverted commas, or between inverted comma I have given the space. If you will not give this space, then the space between first name and last name will not be shown. Now you can drag this formula and here you can see the first name and last name are merged. So this is how you can merge columns in Excel. In the end, like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.